Hey YouTubers out there, this is my lawnmower, well both of my lawnmowers, weed whacker and goped, scooter, whatever you want to call it. Today we're going to start them, but I'm just going to start this lawnmower right now. So I'm going to set this down, show you how to start it. First thing you do, prime it 3 times, jiggy with it. I had to jiggy with mine, mine's a little different. Pull the lever down in front, not the string. Some people mistake that for that. But pull this, pull the lever down, pull this. If you're wondering how I was doing that, making it rev up faster, you do this. Here's the little things right here. Do that, and you can tune it by that too. So there's that. This is my lawnmower. Turn the switch on, prime it 3 times, put this lever down, and pull the string. That is how you start the lawnmower. The weed whacker. This is a scooter / goped. Has no gas, or I would start it, but I'll show you how to start them. Here, just plug this in, do this, starts, or have no gas, just pull this, put the choke on, pull it, and that's it. YouTubers out there, so try to make this when it's starting. Bye.